सर बताइए क्या डिसीजन लिया पार्टी
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you all of know, yesterday we had called a press conference wherein we had decided, rather announced our decision to hold a hunger strike at Srinagar, Jammu and Delhi in solidarity with Engineer Rashid, Member Parliament from Baramulla, who has decided at his own level to go for hunger strike in Tihar jail to espouse his cause and his grievances. And he seeks opportunity to be in the parliament to represent his people, which opportunity, despite he is elected member and he has taken oath of the constitution, which was given to him by the speaker, Mr. Om Birla Sahab. Once he was allowed to campaign for his candidates during the assembly elections, we welcomed that decision. Nothing untoward had taken place. And in fact, the release of Engineer Rashid has not only given credibility to the election process of in assembly elections, but it has enhanced the expectations of the people that genuine public representatives we are electing, they will espouse our cause, they will raise voices for their own for their interests. Now, since yesterday we had announced that we will go for hunger strike, late in the night at 9:30 we received from government response that no permission is granted. Our letter of request was rejected by the administration. Therefore, we had a night discussions with our senior party colleagues up to 12:30 o'clock, and we decided that we will postpone the program. And since there was a lack of communication between the workers and the party leaders, in night hours, somebody was sleeping, somebody was not available. So despite we had 10-15 leaders, we had interactions with each other. Then we decided that we will not go for hunger strike tomorrow, but we will meet in the here to decide the future course of action. So now, officially, since you have seen the entire scene since morning, administration is in no mood to allow us. Neither permission was granted at Delhi, nor it was granted at Jammu, nor it is granted at Srinagar. But we are meeting after prayers. We are holding a meeting. Those who are now not in jail, we have, but officially, as Vice President, I announce that today's program is called off. It is deferred till further course of action, which the party will devise. But we let us be clear that if any hunger strike program or protest program, it will be totally peaceful within the parameters of law, within the constitutional parameters. We are not going to take law in our own hands. Rather, we are lawful citizens. We will abide by the law of the land. And if the law of the land permits that this protest is to be organized, we are allowed. Inshallah, we will organize it. But today's program, it is called up. We defer. The program of hunger strike is not cancelled. Now the only recourse left for us is that yesterday's application, which we had moved to the district magistrate Srinagar, that was outrightly rejected without assigning any reasons, valid and solid reasons. We will, today is holiday, I think, because Shabi Maharaj is Friday following Shabi Maharaj. Tomorrow we will move to district magistrate. We will send our team of lawyers with a request for fresh permission. If the administration gives us permission and there is security clearance for it, we will go with our own program. If it is not granted, then future course of action can be decided accordingly.
Thank you.
With this, I close this today's program.